To set up the properties for digitizing sequins, choose the desired input method. Then, click on the Custom Stitch tool. The Fill Effects Properties tab is displayed. Click on the Stitch tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the stitch type and choose Sequin. The stitch type is how the sequin is attached to the fabric. This is used to tie down the sequin. Click on the drop-down arrow to choose the stitch. The stitch type is also known as the fixing stitch. The sequin is the size and shape of the actual sequin. Click on the drop-down arrow to choose a sequin type. The width controls the width of the fixing stitch type. The height controls the height of the fixing stitch type. The spacing determines the number of sequins in a line. Auto Adjust spaces a sequin so they fit in the line evenly. The sequin feed direction specifies the direction the sequins are fed. This needs to be set for the type of the machine you are digitizing. To change the feed direction, click on the drop-down arrow. Amaya is used for all Amaya machines. North is used for all Shifley machines. South is used for all multi-head machines. Sequin stitch compensation places the initial fixing stitch opposite the feed direction so the thread does not deflect the sequin. Sequin surface type feature indicates how the sequin shape will be filled in. Choose Color to display the RGB values for the color of the sequins. Choose Graphic to display the realistic textures for your sequins. Sequins can be digitized using walk stitch input methods, column stitch input methods, and fill stitch input methods. To edit a sequin within one of these elements, select the element. Then, click on the wireframe editing mode. Click on the graphical zoom button to see the sequins up close. To move a sequin, left-click, hold, and drag the X. To rotate a sequin, click on the X to select the specific sequin. You will see the 8-handled solid black boxes around the sequin. Left-click your mouse on top of one of the 4 corner handles. When in Rotate view, you will see the 8-handled open boxes around the sequin. When you hold your mouse over one of the open handles in any of the corners, your mouse cursor will change to a rotate cursor. Left-click, hold, and drag your mouse to the desired rotation. To delete a sequin, select the sequin. Then simply press the Delete key on your keyboard.